I'm going to show you how to make all your favorite cheeses 100% vegan. All the cheese you see here contains no traces of any animal products whatsoever. They taste delicious. I guarantee you won't be able to tell they're vegan. You'll need cashews, garlic, onion powder, lemon zest, lemon juice, water, nutritional yeast, sea salt, olive oil, chopped dill, and cheesecloth. To start, place the cashews into a pot. Add water. Turn on high heat. Bring to a boil. Boil for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove from heat and drain the water. Now, in a blender, add the softened cashews, garlic, onion powder, lemon zest, lemon juice, water, nutritional yeast, sea salt, and olive oil. Blend until creamy and smooth. Cover a colander with cheesecloth. Pour in the mixture and place into the fridge overnight. Carefully remove the vegan cheese from the cheesecloth. It's that simple. Serve with crackers and enjoy. Oh, what the f? Trust me, do not make this. Now we're talking. Now this is good. This tastes way better than that vegan dog shit we prepared earlier. This is heaven. Trust me, make this. Enjoy.